Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of ChinaTech, and today I think you're going to like this. Today I have the i13 TWS Airpod clones. These are the latest in these, set of AirPod clones that have been coming out lately. So, are the upgrades worth it, and are they any good? Let's jump in and find out. So the main thing you'll notice is up here we have this new double V5. I'm pretty sure that means that these have Bluetooth 5.0 now, which is a new feature in these i13s compared to the i12s and older models, as well as I'm pretty sure these do have wireless charging, so we can test all that out once we open it up. So just opening up the box, you can see right up here we have our AirPods. You can see they're actually in a little silicone case, which is always nice. If I just put those down, I can take out this inset, and here we go. It looks like we just have the charging cord, which is once again a lightning cable, which is good to see. It means we can charge it using a lightning cord, and then just some instructions. We won't need those though. Let's check out the actual AirPods. So if I just take it out of that case, you can see that these really do just about look like real AirPods. They do feel a bit more plasticky than real AirPods, but that is just, one of the compromises when you're paying $40 or so for a pair of AirPods instead of $200. But if we open it up now, we can see that these are the actual AirPods. So if I just take one out, I'm going to close the case and you can just see. So this is definitely an improvement. We're getting now the sensor dots on the AirPods. We didn't have those in older versions, and we also do have all the good stuff as well. We have the right label. I imagine if I get out this one, we have a left and a right marker, these two sensor dots, and then obviously the little grills on the side and the front. So I've got one in my ear and it fits pretty comfortably, just like any other set of earpods or AirPods. So these, unlike some of the AirPod clones, these are the right size. They're not too big or too little. If I just put them back in the case though, one other thing I am noticing, which is a big improvement, is that when I'm opening the case, it's actually locking open. So if you've had fake AirPods before, what they tend to do is sort of open and then just snap straight shut. These are actually able to hold themselves open a bit, which is good, and then close them up. So just a quick tour around the case if you're not familiar. Obviously we have the AirPods in here. On the bottom we have the lightning charging port, which we can plug in our charging cable to, as you can see, or alternatively just, a normal lightning cord that you've got. And then on the back we do have this button as well, which it looks like these are out of charge, but pressing that will normally flash this little light here, and it'll tell you how much battery these have. But apart from that, these pretty much look like real AirPods. They feel a bit different, they feel a bit cheaper, but overall they look very similar. So what I'm just going to do now is quickly charge these up, connect them to my phone, and just give you my first impressions on how they actually sound. So I've just got these AirPods now set up and connected to my phone. They're actually playing some music through Spotify. So if you listen, you should be able to hear that we are actually getting some playback out of these AirPods, and I've got to say overall I am once again super impressed with these fake AirPods. Now I don't know if these are going to sound quite as good as the real deal, but these sound pretty good for 35 to 40 bucks. I've got my own pair of just Apple headphones, like the wired ones that you get, and these do not sound much different, honestly. Unless you're deliberately trying to tell the difference, it's hard to tell. These sound really good. So yeah, overall, as I said, I'm really impressed with these AirPods. I also did give the gestures a quick try. If you didn't know, you can sort of do some taps, some swipes. You can see I just skip the song, I skip again, one more time, all those sort of gestures you can do, and I found these work really well on these AirPods. I have another fake set, and I reckon these do it way better than those. Actually, let me know. These are the i12 TWS, and these are the i13s. So let me know if you want to see a comparison between these two fake AirPods. Let me know in the comment section, and while you're there, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe on this video. I'm going to leave a link to these i13 TWS AirPods in the video description. Apart from that, thank you for watching another video from ChinaTech, and I'll catch you in the next video.